And this video is sponsored by Tepsmigo Toys. As you see, we have tons of Nerf guns because we got the Kids Tactical Vest Kit by Tepsmigo. There you go.
Kids Tactical Vest. This is a 2-pack. Red team versus blue team. 2 vests, 2 clips, 2 wristbands, 2 protective glasses, 2 face masks, and soft dart bullets. You get 60 of those.
60?
60. Let's open it up and see what's inside.
Man, Tepsmigo must really love us.
They keep sending us things.
Yeah. Thank you, Tepsmigo.
Oh my gosh. What the flip?
Red and blue bullet. Oh my gosh, gigantic. These? Huh, that's kind of strange.
Those help. Hold it in.
Oh, this is cool. Is this a wristband?
Yeah.
Looks like
So
it.
you put it on your wrist. Why don't you load the bullets into there? You put it on your wrist and then you can quickly grab. Here are the vests. Do you want to put it on? Here, try it on.
Oh my gosh.
This is very exciting. The boys got all these cool stuff.
Yep.
Ooh, I found a mask.
Get your stuff on.
Yep.
Looking good.
I'm a large. I don't think it's gonna fit me.
Should I
There's
open
Boo
the
Boo.
mask?
No.
Look at Owen watching you. It's like, what are big brothers doing? So strange.
And big sister.
Look at the different places you have to put your bullets on your vest.
Wow, that is just.
You have lots of storage
Are you
options.
ready?
You even have a little mesh pocket on the side right here.
Oh my gosh.
So, you can put your Nerf balls in there if you're carrying your other gun.
Yeah.
Because you have your rival guns that have the balls.
Always need safety,
This is
kids.
really cool. This stuff is really cool, especially the
Thank you, Tepsmigo.
Put on your mask. It's kind of like a bandana.
Oh my gosh.
It's like a buff, like a survivor buff. Never mind, you guys don't want a survivor. Yeah, see, like that. You just pull it over your face. Now put on your glasses. Pretty cool.
I don't know how to.
Too legit to
this
quit.
Is the bullet holder.
That's the bullet holder, yeah. You can put extra bullets in here. Here, yep, like this.
Well, aren't I always red team,
And
Eli?
then you can pull it over however you want.
Oh my gosh,
Cover your
guys.
face. You can pull it down more. You can do whatever you want with it. You can wear it just on your head if you want, like that.
I think this looks ridiculous.
Each team gets 30 bullets. It comes with 30 red and 30 blue.
Well, let me just load this.
And your vest has different areas to put all the bullets.
Like
You come with clips that can load extra bullets. It looks like it can roll up to 10 bullets. Eyewear is pretty cool too, because we just got some Nerf guns, new Nerf guns yesterday that we were playing with. And who got hit in the eye when you were playing Nerf Battle with Dad yesterday? Didn't he get you in the eye?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, if you had been wearing the glasses, your eyes would have been protected.
So they literally just stuff pockets everywhere for just.
Lots of storage options.
Yeah.
Show everybody your wristband. Pretty cool. You can load the bullets into the wristband. There's areas on your vest where you can put bullets into.
I'm really minded to get out of your house.
There we go. We will take a break and get everything loaded and set up, and then we're gonna have an epic Nerf battle in the living room.
Oh yeah, this is gonna be so
Sounds
cool.
good.
Yeah, I'm gonna set up some things in the living room.
Okay, like an obstacle course.
No, like
Yeah.
protection units and obstacles and stuff.
Okay, let's have a test to see how well these bullets shoot in a Nerf gun. Okay, we have a Nerf bullet versus this toy kit bullet. We'll see if it shoots okay.
Okay, let's go. Okay, let's do this.
Oh. Ah, you got it, dear. I think you're out. It holds 4.
One more Michael. Yeah.
Let's see how we do. Okay. Oh, you got it right on the nose.
Bullseye.
So you shoot it. Whoa, good job. Oh. Oh, that was a dud. Yay! You got it. So, how do the Tepsmigo bullets shoot versus the Nerf bullets? They do about the same job?
No, I think the kids' bullets do a little bit better.
Oh, the bullets from the kit?
Yeah.
You think they shoot better than the Nerf bullets?
Yeah.
Interesting. Oh, so close.
Finally.
Okay, cool. The bullet test was conclusive that the Tepsmigo bullets perform just as well, if not better, than Nerf brand bullets. So pretty cool. Okay, we will continue to get ready for our epic Nerf gun battle. Hold on, give me a tour of your base.
Not that much. Okay. So this is more for protection. And I only have very few guns. And I need to block this part.
Yeah, okay, we'll see how it goes.
So this is a spike trap. Whenever someone walks in front of it, they just ultimately die.
Like this.
Right here is a bit of boost protection. And inside the base, this is my gun rack.
Ah, your storage area.
Yep.
It might be nice to keep it close.
It's not a vent shaft.
The spike trap got rainbow sprout. The spike trap got sunshine sprout. Everybody ready now? Thumbs up if you're ready. Thumbs up if you're ready. Okay, Eli, are you ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You better run, Eli. Where's your eye protection? Get him back. He has to reload. Glasses on will keep your face safe. Watch out, girls. Who's gonna win?
Oh my god.
Oh, you're gonna get shot.